Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove warning logos from a Samsung S22 device using ChimeraTool. As you can see, the warning logo appears when the device starts up. You're going to fix that. First, power off the device and prepare it for test point mode. Now, connect the device via a USB cable while performing the test point. Wait until Chimera detects the device. If prompted, perform the test point again as requested by ChimeraTool. Once the device is recognized, go to the Repair tab in Chimera and click on Remove Warnings. Wait for Chimera to complete the procedure. As you can see, the process was successful. The device boots up and there are no warning messages on the screen.
Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.